Avenue E, Learning Success. At Avenue E, success is learned and earned. We become our best, page by page, step by step, moment by moment. We read to succeed, we write to achieve, and we're in it to win it. And we become more day by day by day. Because every learner, like every story, changes with vision, strategy, and time. And time. And time is of the essence. Strategic workshops, digital resources, success journals, and workbooks. 3 decades of learning success in hours. Be your best. Read to succeed. Write to achieve. And be in it to win it. Avenue E, Learning Success.